Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a wrecked ring pour. I am using some beautiful colors. I'm not using gold today, so that should make my husband happy. But I am very excited about this pour, so I'm gonna just get right to it, get you down to the canvas, and we'll talk about the canvas size and the colors. Okay, so what we've got here today is a gallery wrap canvas, 18 by 24. I've got it taped on the back. I've got my push pins in. For an 18 by 24 canvas, we're gonna need about 15 and a half ounces paint. So we just round up to 16. That's what I always do. No matter if the number is smaller, I still round up just to make sure I've got enough. So I got my 16 ounce cup here. I've got my paint poured out. Let's talk about the colors. I am using today Creative Inspirations Paynes Gray, which I really love this Paynes Gray the most because it's almost blue. It looks like a navy kind of a blue. I'm using Pebeo Studio Acrylics Iridescent Blue Green. I'm using Amsterdam's Manganese Blue. I am using Soho Silver. I'm using Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Violet. And I'm using Artist Loft Neon Green. So I'm going to be very curious to see how this performs because this is a transparent color. But I wanted to give this some green, give it some pop. So we'll see how well it works. Today's paints are mixed with Mix Pour, and you can order Mix Pour from Krista Rasmussen at krista8974@gmail.com. The way I mix these paints, I put 5 ounces of Mix Pour into a cup, and then I put about 1.5 ounces of the paint on top of the Mix Pour, and a couple of colors. I had to use a little water to thin it out. My Creative Inspirations Paynes Gray was very thick. Believe it or not, my Soho Silver, that was kind of thick too. So I had to add just a touch of water. This is actually looking a little thick still. There it goes. I want to keep them on the thicker side, not on the thinner side. So I am going to do a ring pour, but I'm going to wreck it. And I think what I'm going to do is wreck it with the lip of the cup. All right, and also as you can see here, I have painted my edges and sides with the Paynes Gray color. Sometimes with mix, you do kind of see the edge of the canvas come through. And so I want to make sure I don't have that issue of a white canvas peeking back through. So I do have my edges painted. I am going to move this out of the way here, just so we can get to layering the paints. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is put a little silver in the bottom. Juicy cup there. All right, so let's move this back over here. All right, what I'm going to do now is I am going to layer a little silver here in the center. I'm gonna thin out my Prussian blue so I can use that as my flow extender. Kind of hate to wreck this, but I'm gonna. Stick here. Let's guilt to tilt it. So got a lot heading that way, so I'm gonna move it back over here.
I never felt the way I do about anyone but you. If I were to lose you now, I don't know what I might do.
All right, I'm gonna touch up the sides here and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, everyone, here is the wet result. I like to do a studio lights on and a studio lights off look because it kind of gives you the idea of the shine and stuff that comes in with the different types of paints. So I gotta say, guys, I didn't get cells, which that's totally okay. But what I'm loving the most is the little fingerlings that I got. Check this out down here. Those are just really cool. I'm loving up here. These little silver rings wrapped with the purple. The Paynes gray, which is going to really dry dark, which is going to give this some great contrast. And the neon green survived. Even though it was transparent green, it stayed well with the colors in this painting. It didn't fade away, so that's what I was really happy. Just the flash from my camera. You see this when it's dried. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, here is the dried result. Wow, this really came to life. I put 2 coats of gloss varnish on this and it really came back to life. I'm loving the outside showings of the dried piece because it really gives some natural sunlight on it, although it is a little cloudy today. But I'm just loving the green, the purple, the Paynes gray. You know, it definitely, everything dried darker, which I knew it would. I probably could have maybe used some white in here because the silver didn't really lighten it up like I was hoping it would. But you definitely see the silver. You get to see the purple and that lime and the lime green. So I'll bring you in for a close-up. I'm just loving how it got wrecked. So it's not really a specific shape using the wrecking the ring there. So it turned out, I think, just really great. Okay, everyone. So as always, my pieces are available for purchase. You can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.